we've always sang. That's something we've always done as a family. My name is Brandon Hutcheson.
And I'm John.
And we're the Hutcheson Brothers. Our style of music is primarily country. That's our foundation. We do have we incorporate some rockabilly, some blues, and a little bit of pop. Our family's big into music. Our mother was a charting country gospel singer. Our great Uncle Buck played many years with Jerry Lee Lewis. And it's just something that's always been there. John started playing when he was 8.
Yeah, 8 or 9, yeah.
Started playing guitar when he was 8 or 9, and just from there I picked up percussion.
And the reason I picked up a guitar was because Keith Urban, I heard one of his songs, and it was always a hobby. And then once I was like 12 or 13, I actually had a chance to go up and meet him, and it just kind of lit a fire, and it all just went up from there.
But for me, primarily, my number one influence in music has been Garth Brooks.
So the biggest accomplishment, I would say, would probably be to play a number of times at the Bluebird Cafe in Nashville. It was always a dream of mine, and just so happened we got to play there a handful of times, and hopefully going to be able to go back once all the pandemic and everything ends. And
we've also been fortunate enough to play at the NFL draft when it was in Nashville back in 2019, and awards and nominations and things like that aren't really why we do what we do. We just enjoy music, but we've been fortunate enough to be nominated Tennessee Music Awards and Josie Music Awards, and recognized through Nashville Songwriters Association International.
Our songwriting process is a little...
it's very strange.
Yeah, it's very strange. So we live about 25, 30 miles away now. So a lot of times we use our phones, and we will write something down, or I'll send them a chord progression or something like that. And there's been times, no joke, where we have started writing a song, texting each other, and we'll get a whole song written just by text.
Draw a lot of inspiration from home. We draw a lot of inspiration from when we're working in Nashville, or when we're just in West Tennessee in general. You know, there's so many wonderful folks that will kind of tell you what's going on with them, and you know, you can relate to it. Yeah. Then you can write about it. And then there are times too when something really hits hard, and you know, you open up as a songwriter. You can take that negative experience and just put it out on pen and paper, and pick up a guitar, and you know, just play your feelings through that. And you know, I think that's what makes country music so great, is, you know, it's about real life.
This song is called Drive. We wrote it probably about a year or so ago, and it's gaining quite a bit of ground on some charts in Nashville, and we're pretty proud of it.
What the song primarily details, it's your classic breakup song, only you're just you're speeding away from it, you're driving away from it, trying to get out of Dodge as fast as you can.
Got my hands on the wheel, yeah, I'm ready to go. Much too young, blaring on the radio. I said that I was leaving, and this time it's for good. I'm gonna speed away from the thought of you, with the ponies underneath this hood. So off the rear view mirror, never looking back. Gonna blow this town, get back on track. Got the pedal to the metal, get the engine unwind. To hound on your memory, I'm just gonna drive. Enough was enough. nothing but a joke to you. Your love for me was fake, something I've finally seen through. Yeah, now it's all over, and there's no more of us. The only goodbye you deserve is this long cloud of dust. So off the rearview mirror, never looking back. Gonna blow this up, get back on track. Got the pedal to the metal, get the engine unwind. To hell on your memory, I'm just gonna try. If I ever for a week start missing you, I'll just remind myself I ain't your fool. I'll hit the gas hard, go as fast as I can, to out of my heart and out of my head. To off the rearview mirror, never looking back. Gonna blow this town, get back on track. Got the pedal to the metal, the engine unwind. To hell on your memory. So off the rearview mirror, never looking back. Gonna blow this town, get back on track. Got the pedal to the metal, the engine unwind. To hell on your memory, I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna try.